The Cherry Blossom Festival this year will for the first time witness mixed martial arts cage fight. The event, named the Meghalaya Cage Fight at the festival in the Riphoi, will see fighters from Meghalaya, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Maharashtra, and international fighters from Afghanistan and Russia. During a press conference, Isaiah Karmoplang, one of the founding members of the Happy Red Rooster MMA, encouraged all, especially the children, to take up MMA as it provides the skills and the required discipline.
Having MMA is because we have, we'd like to take this opportunity also to thank Basan for taking this initiative of conducting MMA in Cherry Blossom. And I think this is the first time that Cherry Blossom will experience an MMA event. And I believe that MMA being the fastest growing sport in the world, and at the same time, it is a sport which is very popular among the youth. We believe that it will draw a lot of attention, a lot of crowds, because the thing is, there's something about competition that people want to watch.
The office of the